everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Fun with Olivia. Today we're going to be looking at my Stitch Fix box. It came in a couple of days ago and I haven't opened it, especially saved it to share it with you guys. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's an online personal shopping styling service. That's what it is. What you do is you pay a $20 styling fee per month, and then they send you 4 to 5 articles of clothing, but they can also do jewelry, accessories, purses, shoes if you want that. You take a quiz, you know, so they can kind of get your style. If you don't want any shoes or you don't want any purses, you can put that on there. It's completely up to you. You don't have to do it every month, but the styling fee is $20. When you get your box, if you like what you see, you can buy it and the styling fee will be applied to that balance. And if you buy all 5 items, you get, I think, a 20% discount on the total. If you don't like it, it comes with a bag with postage and everything. You don't have to pay anything. You throw them all in the bag, you send them back. If you send everything back, they do keep the $20 styling fee though. So just know that. But I have never sent everything back, I will tell you. I've probably, I think I've bought more complete sets. So what I like about it is I am short, I am thick, I am curvy, I am chunky. It is so hard for me to find cute short pants that aren't too long and that I have to hem and pay an extra fee to get them hemmed because I don't sew. I wish I did, but I don't. Also, you know, going into stores and taking 20 items into the fitting rooms with me and coming out with maybe one because I don't like how they look, because the material's too thin, my curves just don't look right with it, or because they fit me too big, the bigger sizes, or just they look like a big old sack on me. It's really depressing. It's really depressing. And also it saves me time. I don't have to spend hours and hours to find like 1 or 2 items. So I really love this subscription. I heard about it through Frugi Blog. If you don't know her channel, go check her out. She is hilarious. She does skincare, especially if you have sensitive skin, go check her out. I'll put the link down below. But I've been a subscriber now of Stitch Fix for I think about a year now, probably over a year. So let's jump in. I already cut it open, although I haven't looked into it. So this is the bag that if you don't like it or whatever you don't like, it's a pretty big bag too. Here, I'll show you. It comes, I won't show you the other side because the other side does have my address on it, but yeah, you just put it in here and you send it back. And then this is what it looks like. And it looks different every time. This is like the smallest little package I have ever received. So very interested. In an envelope you do get, it says, oh, hello. And I don't want to look at it too much because I don't want it to give it away, but you get a note, a special note from your stylist. After every month of looking at your clothing, if you like your stylist, you do a little review of each item of article of clothing, and I find that the more you do those, the more they know what you like and what you don't like. So if at first it's kind of I don't like it, give it a chance and give lots of feedback, and specific feedback. I have given so much feedback in a nice way, of course, but I think she's got me. And so at first I used to say, yeah, surprise me with a new stylist. Once I found this one, I have kept her. Her name is Jen. I feel like I know her and I feel like she knows me. She really pays attention to the things that I send back to her. And so she puts these little messages for me and I love reading them. So yeah, and then so down here you see the articles of clothing and it gives you further ideas of how to wear them. So these are really cute. And then you get a letter that says, thanks for letting us style you. And this is basically a list of what you have with the prices, how much your total would be with the 20% discount, or you also can see the individual prices. It's a little bit scary sometimes to see the prices, But if you divide it up by 5 items, for me, it saves me time and it ends up saving me money. Sometimes the items that I end up buying, you know, especially if I go to Lane Bryant or Torrid, I love Torrid, but you know, those items are really expensive. So this comes to my doorstep. I didn't spend any time on it. It's just a win-win for me. So anyway, let's jump in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I try to give my stylist some tips. So if I have a barbecue that I was going to, or a wedding, I will tell her, you know what, I'm going to be doing this. I would love something for that occasion. You can do that, and they send you stuff, and you know, you can try it on, and if you don't like it, you send it back. But my stylist, Jen, has done an excellent job of sending me stuff. So the last month was the first month that I sent her a little note saying, we're at home, I'm working from home, so I want comfy stuff, even if it's just sweats or, you know, but also stuff that I can go take a walk, you know, outside and not be embarrassed to wear it outside. So comfy to be at home, but also kind of cute. And also I mentioned to her, she didn't know that I have a YouTube channel. So I mentioned to her, I have a YouTube channel, so some cute tops or something to wear with my, by the way, this is also, I got it from Stitch Fix. So yeah, so that was the criteria for this month. Comfy, but can still go out, or for my YouTube channel. So let's see what the first item she chose looks like. And so one of the criteria that I have is I don't like to be fitted down here. I'm too curvy, like, you know, I'm kind of big busted and I have a big hips. So, you know, my body kind of goes like this and literally like that. And, you know, that sounds ideal, but it's kind of not when you're trying clothes on, because if you get something to fit that narrower area, then it doesn't fit on your hips, or it doesn't fit on your, you know, in your chest area, even if you're, you know, anyways. So I like to be free. I don't like anything restrictive. And so she chooses these tops that are super cute. And this is like a double layer, which I really like. Yeah, there's an inner layer. Feels so slinky and soft. This is by Fun to Fun. Another thing is, if you like the brand, you can go Google them and you can shop directly from them. I haven't done it yet because I'm just so happy, but I have looked up, I'm like, oh, I really like this. Let me see what else they have. And they have some cute items. So that's another thing you can do. So yeah, this is the first top. I like this. I don't normally like sleeveless. I do like a little bit of sleeve. That's my first choice. But I love how sleeveless looks, and especially in the summer, and if I'm at home and just going for a walk, this is okay. Okay, so the next item looks like another top. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's kind of like a V-neck, I get it. And it has like, that's what was throwing me off, that it has this detail here on the neck. The front is very slinky. It's not restrictive down here, which I really like. The back is solid and soft. It's kind of like a very soft t-shirt fabric. And this is by Paper Moon. I should put on my glasses so I can read these. Yeah, papermoonclothing.com. So I love black. I love black, and this looks like a fun little top, and that looks really comfy. Okay, here is the next one. Yay, I see a little bit of a sleeve. I'm excited. So this has like a little, oh, this feels so soft, you guys. I forgot to mention that in your quiz, you can choose, like it'll ask you tops, the price range for every single thing. Like, do you want to pay as little bit as possible? You know, whatever you choose to be your area or your budget, you can have like a higher budget. Like I have a higher budget for shoes than I do for tops. For tops, I'm like, give me like really inexpensive tops. But for shoes, I do need nice shoes with support. Oh, this is kind of like satiny. I don't know what it's made out of, but the brand is Fortune and Ivy. And it has these little sleeves, which is really cute. This is the back. Again, it's kind of like a very breathable, kind of like really soft tee. And I love this color. I love this color. My favorite color is pink, pink and purple. And so, yes, I am liking this. I think 2 more items. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at this. Okay, let's see. This is by Daniel Rain. Again, it looks like a double layer. Oh, no. Oh yeah, it is. It has a double layer, very thin layer, very slinky, very fresh. Oh yeah, I can see it's kind of similar to this color, but a little bit brighter. Yeah, it's a little bit low cut. I don't like to share. I don't like to show my, this area. My hubby likes it when I do. He's like, ooh, that looks really nice. But I'm like, no, cover me up. But, this will show a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to be home, or I can use it for, this channel. And it looks super comfy. Super, super comfy. The last item is a pair of pants, it looks like. And they're black. I love black pants. It's heavy. And oh, they're not pants. Okay, so another thing I've mentioned to her is surprise me. If you think I'm gonna like something, even if I normally wouldn't try it, surprise me. Well, she surprised me. Oh, these look so cool. It has been eons. I think the last time I wore my jean suspenders was in college. I used to wear them. That was a long time ago, you guys. That's like over 30 years ago. But this is like very, very slinky. You could tell that it's not stretchy, but it's not, the waist is pretty big. And I do have a big waist. I know this looks big, but my waist might be thinner, but my hips need this. Katie Sturino, and it says by Stitch Fix. So I'm wondering if this is a new brand. Yeah, that Stitch Fix is coming out with. It does have 3 different little eyelets. So in case, you're short, which I am, I'll probably button it to the last. This is really heavy though. It's like very drapey. I like that it's heavy because I don't like to wear slinky stuff. That kind of shows my little bulgy areas. So I like that it's heavy. I'm really liking it. Looks like it has pockets, which is really nice. Let me show you the bottom. I like wide leg is what I'm trying to say. And this looks like it's a wide leg, which I love. Let me show you the back. It's very simple. There are no pleats. I don't like pleats. No pleats. Black, drapey, heavy, and fun. So I'm thinking she was probably thinking this could go inside maybe, or you can pretty much put anything inside, right? Because it's black. I can't wait to try this. So I'm not doing a fashion show here on YouTube, but I may do a fashion show on Instagram, my stories, so we'll see. So that's the last item. If you're interested in knowing what the prices are on that, let me see, to like $264 actually. But with the it's 25% discount, not 20. If you get all items, which to be honest, I have to try them on first to make sure that I like them. But if I buy everything, you get a 25% discount. So that takes off $66 and it goes down to $198. So if you divide that by 5 items and one of them is like this really nice, heavy overall, I think it kind of works out, and it saves me time, like I said, and I don't have to go through that depressing, time of like coming out and none of these fit, and I just get so frustrated. So yeah, I'm happy with these. What do you think? Which ones are your favorite? Let me know. And if any of you are interested, I do have a referral link. I will put it down below. This is not sponsored, but they give you referral. They have a rewards program where if people join through your referral link, you get, I think, points or maybe like $5 off your next box or something like that. I'm not sure, but I will put the referral link down below. If you're interested, you can use it. You don't have to use it. You can go to stitchfix.com directly if you prefer totally okay. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. That helps my channel so much. And also thank you so much for your comments and for your time here with me today. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.